Guys, so this is how you make an FNF test, not the actual thing, just an FNF test. So what you want to do is just get any thing you want. So I'm just doing it. I'm just getting something right now. I'll get the intro costume, and then just rename it to your idol. Just size it. Let me just size it real quick. Okay, there. And then I can just mess around with the thing. Then okay, now just make a variable called idle. And put a broadcast. Wait, just call it idle. Then forever, and then a repeat. And set idle to 1, change idle by 4. And then you can go when I receive idle, then forever switch costume by the idle, and then broadcast idle when the flags click, and you see we have your idle, but it might be too fast, so then just add a sequence. But this is actually inaccurate, so just drag out that. When I receive an idle, so then just get a forever and then a repeat until. So this is really useful. And then just drag an equals and costume number to the costume number 5. But you want to write 4. No, we can't. Okay. And then what you want to do is do next costume. And you have to do whatever. And then you see, you still have it going. So now, what you can do now is do this thing. So, player animations. And player animations. So we don't actually need this block. We just need to get this. Now drag in if else equal. So player animations equals left. Then it broadcasts the left. So what we're gonna do, left. Now let's call it a left. And then I can just do this to a D. And I can just name it left. Left. And like that. So, and also it won't work until you do a stop other scripts and swipe left. But And then repeat costume number 8. And then that's the next costume. So 2. And then you need to drag away until not touching the left key. Then it goes back to an idle. Okay, now what we can do is drag when left key press. Set play animations to left. Then, okay, so you see, it does not work. It just makes the player idle fast. So we don't really need this variable anymore. Then just drag that there, and you see, it actually works. So, there. Okay, so now, so your FNF test always keeps track of the hours. And now what I'm gonna do, just gonna make it easier. Just flip it for the right. I'll just get the left and just flip it. And now, oops, I forgot. We didn't code the white yet. I'm such a forget crew. And then do a white. And this is just an FNF test. Okay, so that doesn't actually work because we need to code it as a white. And the last costume is 17. So now what you want to do is record some sounds. Left. Oh. Yeah. There. Ugh. That's too lazy for me. The that's too boy funny. Uh, and wait a minute, I forgot to do it in my tutorial account. Guys, I forgot to do it in my tutorial account. Wait, let me just package this. My tutorial account? I just made this account today. I can just create. So now that I'm on my tutorial account, sprite me. Wait. And then so you might now get the position. Ugh, this is not working. Well, that's it for the tutorial, guys. See ya.